This man has made millions from trading Forex, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. He consistently makes around $30,000 a month trading, and it's so easy and uses zero indicators and almost zero brain cells. So let's not waste any more of your time and get straight into the strategy. Please hit that like button and subscribe if you enjoy. Nick Shawn doesn't use any indicators during his strategy, but in fact uses super easy support and resistance zones. He uses these zones and a very special trick, and this is why he's a millionaire. But just before we do that, let me quickly tell you about Flux Charts and why they've sponsored today's video. Flux Charts has a massive range of insanely powerful indicators for any type of market. I have actually tested out a few of their indicators on the channel, and I love them very much. And most importantly, have had very good success with them. I want you to join Flux Charts today because I want to see more traders break through the wall. And Flux Charts might just be the key that you need to finally become a profitable trader. And I really want you to succeed. So you've got two options. Option one is to click the link below and try out the Flux Charts 7-day completely risk-free trial for yourself. Yes, completely risk-free. And option two, Flux Charts were kind enough to give a 20% off code at checkout. So use code MO and you'll be making money back already. So don't wait any longer and take the leap, and I will see you in the Discord making money. Let's get back to the video. Nick starts out by drawing support and resistance zones on the charts. He only focuses on Euro USD, GBP JPY and AUD CAD. This way he has three simple views to focus on that cover the entire Forex market. This strategy focuses on the 4-hour chart and the 1-hour chart. So for this strategy to work, we'll be using this rectangle tool right here. And on the 4-hour chart, we will be marking out zones of support and resistance. The simplest way to put this is where price turns around. So you can see right here, price started to come down and rejected off this area. So this is a point of interest where we'll mark our support and resistance zone. You can also change the bar candles to lines to make this super easy. If you are serious about improving your trading, then maybe you want to think about joining Trader Edge. This is currently the best trading app on the market that is used by thousands of traders. It's super easy to use and it has saved me a lot of time and money using it. If you sign up right now, Trader Edge will grant you access to their full backtesting course. You'll also get access to a full course on making a trading algorithm worth $270. There's also a collection on there of indicators and strategies that have been proven to work. If you are serious about improving your trading strategy, then click the first link down in the description. Price has now spiked up here and moved away, so we can now mark this zone as another support and resistance zone. But this trading strategy is all about patience. You can see here that price has come in contact with the zone that it was previously at. Now when this happens, Nick does one of two things. When price hits, he'll enter the trade. Nick will use his hedging strategy. Now that it's bounced off this zone, he will place a buy order, so he'll place a buy right here, and he will also have a sell order down here. This way, if price decides to turn around the other way, then Nick is covered for that. And using hedging is placing two trades at the same time, but both for different directions to balance each other out. By doing this, you can cut your losses short and let your winners ride. Okay, so we set our buy order here, set our stop loss below the support and resistance, and then we'll be targeting this support and resistance zone up here. Okay, so that trade hit take profit for a 3.09 risk to reward ratio, but also now that price is up in this zone again, it is off our previous support and resistance zone, so we can now focus on a sell trade. So for this hedging strategy to work, we will now place a buy trade above the support and resistance zone and a sell trade below. We will be entering the sell trade right now, as it is bounced off the support and resistance zone, and that is our only simple confirmation to enter a trade. So we enter our sell trade now, and we'll be targeting this support and resistance zone down here. Place your stop loss above the support and resistance zone. There you go, so you can see price has absolutely smashed through the stop loss. So this trade is now at a -1%. And because of the hedging strategy, we will now be entering a buy in this direction. We'll want to be looking to the left on where to place our support and resistance take profit. This is a safe zone of rejection right here, so we can look to target this zone for a buy profit. And there, price broke the stop loss zone again. So from these 3 trades, we are up 3%, minus 1%, and then minus another 1%. Now, because of this support and resistance right here, we will be entering another sell. Enter your sell position here, put your stop loss above the support and resistance zone, and then again, we can either target this previous support and resistance right here, or we can target this new formed support and resistance right here. And there you go, you can see this trade has hit. So you can see we had a 3% profit and then a -1 bringing us down to 2%, another -1 bringing us down to 1%, and then another 3% profit, giving us a grand total of 4% profit across 4 trades. Super simple. If a trade isn't going your way and it's moving through the support and resistance zone, then you can close out at a 0.5% loss, meaning that your stop loss is even smaller, and naturally your risk to reward ratio will be much higher than a 1-to-1 risk to reward, so your winners will be much greater than your losses. Okay, so it's time to test this strategy. I'll be testing this 100 times. Please hit that subscribe button if you've enjoyed. Okay, so here are the results for the Nick Shawn trading strategy using support and resistance. You can see we started with an initial balance of $100 and turned it all the way to $269, giving us a percentage gain of 169%. We only had a win rate of 52%, which is pretty much around where Nick Shawn claims his strategy will get you. It is a bit of a 50-50, with 52 wins and 48 losses, but numbers do not lie and profit is there to be made. This is a very beginner friendly strategy and I will put his link in the description down below. But thank you very much for Trader Edge for sponsoring this video, and if you enjoyed this strategy and want to learn more, then click one of these videos right here.